So of all the meetings I go to, you're lucky to get one or two things out of the meeting. And when you go to the meeting, what the true things you get out of it is what you talk to with the people next to you. And the interesting thing about the AMP meetings is we all have something in common. So when you're standing in line to get lunch with someone, you can talk about how you're getting results with your Agnes. What are you doing differently with your Starlet? And it's such an informative meeting, not only in terms of the great speakers that they have and the innovative treatments that they're helping us sharpen, but with the camaraderie and the talk with your fellow practitioner, it makes me excited to come. You know, this is my third ownership meeting, and I look forward to the next one. And if you own any of these devices and you don't come, you're missing out on becoming more successful.